Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can fix the JBL tune beam when they are not connecting. So the first thing, this is going to be like really simple thing. The first thing that you want to try to do is to put them back to the case. And when you're going to put them back to the case, take them out. And what you want to do is a factory reset. So you want to press 3 times the right earbud. And then on the third time, you just want to hold it. So I will go 1, 2, 3 and hold. And did you see something like stop there? So this is something that you can try, and you can try it even for the left, but the report and reset was for the right earbud. And then what you need to do is just put them back to the case and it should like reset. So let me know down below in the comments if it's going to work out for you, and you can try it multiple times. The process is the same. So you're going to take the earbud and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and on the third time you're just going to hold. And that's it. So let me know down below in the comments if it works or no. And let me also share, if you're gonna like find a solution, also share it down below so when other people we can help each other out. So have a great day and goodbye.